Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today let's make this beautiful peacock clay art. I'm using foam board as a base for this project. Instead of this you can use wood canvas or cardboard. Now I'm applying texture paste all over the surface with a palette knife. If you don't have texture paste, you can make your own texture paste by mixing talcum powder and white glue. I don't want a smooth surface, so I am creating texture by simply patting over the texture paste with this palette knife. Now our texture paste has dried up fully. You can see the texture created over the surface. Now I am applying black acrylic paint over the base and let it dry. Next I am applying golden acrylic paint with my fingertips over the base. I have drawn body of a peacock on this cardboard piece. Now I am cutting it out. I have also cut out long and short teardrop shaped cardboard pieces. This is Fevicryl molded clay. It's an air dry clay. It has two parts, resin and hardener. I am going to mix both of them together thoroughly until there is a uniform color. I am using talcum powder to mix it. Let's apply clay over the cardboard piece to create body of the peacock. Now I am smoothing the surface with wet fingers. Now let's create the eye area of peacock. I am creating little depression over there. Now I am creating small shallow pits on the body of peacock. With a sharp tool, you can use toothpick also. Now I am going to create small semicircular impressions on the wing area of the peacock. If you don't have palette knife like this, you can use tip of a spoon to create such impressions. Next I am creating linear impressions with this clay tool. You can use scale or ruler if you don't have a clay tool like this. Placing a tiny bit of clay on the eye area. Now let's create a beak for our peacock. Next we can apply clay over the drop shaped cardboard pieces. I am drawing two circles, one inner and one outer, and I am creating linear impressions around them. So this is our feather. It's time to arrange everything. I am pasting the body of peacock first, and next I am going to arrange feathers. I am pasting feathers in an overlapping manner. Our white glue or Fevicol will not be enough for pasting this. So I am using a little bit of wet clay as an adhesive. So I am pasting the three long feathers and covering the gap with short feathers. Now let's create the crown feathers of peacock. Next let's create a tree branch for our peacock to sit. To create a natural look, I am drawing irregular lines here and there. For leaves, I am taking bits of drop shaped clay and creating impressions with a tube. For making flowers, I am taking drop shaped clay, 5 numbers, and joining them together. I am also creating impressions with a clay tool. You can use toothpick to create some linear impressions over the petals. I am folding the leaves to create a natural look. If the clay is wet, there is no need of additional adhesive. I am painting the whole thing with black color. I am using chalk paint. You can also use black acrylic paint. Let it dry fully. After that, I am going to apply pearl blue color for the body of the peacock. I am applying with a sponge. I'm using a brush for painting the sides and the crown feathers. I'm using golden acrylic paint for the beak, the tip of crown feathers and for the wing. I'm using metallic copper color for painting the tree branch. This is Pearl Peacock metallic paint. This is very beautiful color. I am going to use it for the feathers. Highlighting the sides with golden acrylic paint. Next I am painting the inner circle with Prussian blue acrylic paint and the outer circle with golden acrylic paint. This is metallic green acrylic paint for leaves. For flowers, I have first applied golden acrylic paint and over that I am using pearl pink acrylic paint. And for the center, I am applying dots with black chalk paint. I am applying golden acrylic paint for the remaining areas of background. After that, I am using black chalk paint for the eye. And the surrounding part I am using white acrylic paint. Now our beautiful peacock clay art is ready. Hope you all enjoyed the video.